everyone, welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free MCQ series. So today we are in the episode 153, that is on May 6, 2023. So as part of Plums, daily at 9 p.m. different teachers will be dealing different subject MCQs related questions. So sir is also taking some of the subjects. So if you practice the right way with us, then no one can stop you from clearing the UPSC exam. There are already lots of playlists, lots of free content which is already available in Vysh IAS YouTube channel. If you want to have access to it, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. Some of the access is only available for the subscribers. So definitely you need to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon and save this number, that is 7200681675, and WhatsApp UPSC free to this number. So you will get the foundational videos if you are the new one, and also you will get solved by the doubts that you have in your mind regarding our channel. So let's start today's video. MCQ number 1. If Praneeth is the brother of a son of Ronit's son, how is Praneeth related to Ronit? So they have given that Praneeth, if this person is Praneeth, okay? This Praneeth is brother of a someone's son, okay? I'm taking it as son of a Ronit's son. So let's take Ronit here. Ronit's son is like he's the brother of Praneeth. So how is Praneeth related to Ronit? So if this Ronit to this is S1, I'm taking this as S2. So S2 will become grandson for Ronit. So grandson brother is also a grandson for Ronit. So grandson will be the correct answer for question number 1. So option D is the correct answer. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. An accurate clock shows 8 o'clock in the morning. Then how many degrees will the hour hand rotate when the clock shows 2 o'clock in the afternoon? So let's take how many hours it has rotated. So from 8 to 12 o'clock it has rotated. Okay, 8 to 12 noon it has rotated 4 hours. Okay, from 12 to 2 again it has rotated 2 hours. So total number of hours it has rotated is 6. So 6 hours it has rotated. So in the clock for 12 hours it will rotate 360 degrees. So for 6 hours it should rotate 180 degrees, right? For 6 hours, that is 360 by 2, that is 180 degrees. So option number D is the correct answer for question number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. Tickets numbered 1 to 50 are mixed and one ticket is drawn at random. Find the probability that the ticket drawn has a number which is a multiple of 4 and 7. 4 or 7. So we have to take multiples of 4 or 7, and we have to like if there are any common numbers, we have to like cancel one of its number. So if you are taking multiples of 4, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40, 4 11s are 4 12s are. So again here I am adding a rest of the multiples of 7. Here 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. 28 is already added in this 4 table. So we are not adding again 28. 7 5s are 35, 7 6 are 42, 7 7s are 49. They are asking only till 50. So we have taken, these are the multiples of 7 and 4 till 50 without any repetition. Okay. So out of 50 numbers, we have to pick up how many, we have to count how many numbers are there in this list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So out of 50 numbers, we have to pick up 80 numbers. So out of 50, we have to pick up 80. So 50 by 80, that is, out of 50, we have to pick up 80. So we have to pick up 18 numbers. So out of 50, we have to pick up 18. So 9 to the 8, so 2 9s, 1 second. 2 9s are 18. 2 25s are 50. So 9 by 25 is the correct answer for question number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. Each odd digit in the number 52631187 is substituted by the next higher digit, and each even digit is substituted by the previous lower digit, and the digits so obtained are rearranged in ascending order. Which of the following will be the third digit from the left hand after the rearrangement? So they have given some conditions, so we have to write the conditions, then we have to write it in ascending order, and we have to check the given one. Okay, so the given number is 52631187 is substituted by the next higher digit. So each odd digit, so odd digits in it here, so 5 is odd digit, so we have replaced it by 6. the next highest number. Okay. Um okay, here 3 is replaced by 4, 1 is replaced by 2, 7 is replaced by 8. And the second condition is each even digit is substituted by the previous lower digit. So 2's previous number is 1, 6 previous number is 5, okay, 8's previous number is 7. So this is the number we have got. We have to arrange this in the ascending order, that is small to big. So 1, 2, after that we'll get 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is the ascending order. So they have asked that which one of the following will be the third digit from the left end after the rearrangement. So which of the following is the third digit from the left end? That is 4. Okay, 4 is the correct answer for question number 4. A group wanted to renovate their club. Each members contributed an amount equal to the twice the number of the members of the club, but the government contributed same amount as the number of members. If each member had contributed the same amount as the number of members, and the government has given an amount twice the number of members, then what would be the so then would be having 210 less. How many numbers are there? How many members are there? So they have given some conditions, so we have to check out. So we can solve this question by taking from the options, then it will be easier. So if you are taking initially the option number A, that is 7, initial case they have given that each member of the club are contributing twice the number of members. Okay, so the 7 are the members, so there are 7 members, and each one of them are contributing twice the number of members, so 2 into 7. Okay, they are contributing 2 into 7. Okay, again the government is contributing the number as the number of members are 7. So we have got this. If you calculate this, we'll get as 7 into 7 is 14. 14 into 7 plus 7 is nothing but 105. We'll get it as 105. And in the second condition, if each member is contributing as the number of members, that is 7 into 7. Plus, and government is contributing twice the number of members, that is 2 into 7. If you calculate this, we'll get as 63. So the difference between these two numbers should be 210, but this difference is not 210, so option A cannot be correct. Now let's solve MCQ number 5 with option number 2. Option number 2 is given as 15. So if you take the initial condition, that is 15 members are contributing twice the number of each member. So government is contributing as the number of members. If you calculate this, we'll get it as 465. And in the second case, each member is contributing as the number of members, and the government is contributing twice as the number of members. 15 into 15 plus 2 into 15 is nothing but 255. If you subtract these two numbers, we'll get it as 210. So if you are getting it as 210, we are satisfying the given condition, that is the difference between them is 210. Okay, so option number B, that is 15, is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. You can even check with the option number 3 and option number D, and in the comment box you can tell what will be the difference of these two cases in the option number C case and option number D case. Okay, we have checked option number A and B. You have to check C and D and give your answers in the comment box. So that is it for today's video, and I hope so you have enjoyed this series. Again, tomorrow we'll meet with another video with daily 5 MCQs again. So please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned.